Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gorgeous You. Today in this video I'm sharing few amazing facts and beliefs about money plant. Money plant is a symbol of wealth, success and prosperity. In every second household you can find a money plant blooming. Money plant is considered as a lucky plant which brings wealth, health, prosperity and happiness in the house. There are many facts about money plant. For example, in Feng Shui, it is considered to be a lucky plant that brings monetary gain and good fortune. However, many people keep money plant in the house as an indoor plant to add to the decor. Feng Shui principles regard money plant as one of the best plants to purify air polluted with synthetic chemicals from furniture and cleaning solutions. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. Feng Shui experts recommend keeping one plant near each computer, television or Wi-Fi router. Vastu experts say plants activate positive energy in our day-to-day lives. They recommend planting money plants inside the house as they bring good luck. They do not recommend growing them outside in the garden. According to a popular belief, a money plant loses its power if it is grown from its own cutting. Giving a money plant or its cuttings to others symbolizes giving their wealth to them. I don't wish to spread any misconceptions, but this is a popular belief. One more belief is that always tie up the branches of this plant in the upward direction. Don't allow it to trail down. Money plant is a symbol of wealth, success and prosperity. Dried leaves should be plucked off from the vine. Now let's talk about where to place this auspicious money plant. According to Vastu, money plant should be kept in southeast direction. By keeping it on this direction, you also get positive energy. The owner of the southeast direction is Lord Ganesha and the representative is Venus. That is why they prefer money plant on this direction. Ganesha removes bad luck while Venus increases the wealth. That is why money plant should be planted in southeast direction. Do not place money plant on Ishan direction, means northeast direction. Because it is considered as negative side, the owner of this direction is Jupiter and the relation between Venus and Jupiter is enemy. You may get loss if you keep in Ishan direction. However, you can plant Tulsi in this direction. Money plants require warmer temperatures, that is 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. At a temperature lower than 10 degrees Celsius, the leaves will turn yellow and develop yellow spots. It can be grown on moss sticks as a climber. A special characteristic of money plant is that it can be grown in a water-filled container without any soil. It can survive in a bottle filled with water if you simply keep changing or refilling the water. Money plants can survive on the naturally occurring minerals in plain water without the addition of any nutrients. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with another such informative video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.